Hi, I'm Chef Atula Krupuarachi from Atula Fusion Food. Today we are planning to make summer dish with Atula Tikka Masala. So we are going to use Atula Tikka Masala with chicken. That means you can see we're going to make chicken kebab. The chicken tikka kebab with summer salad with traditional raita. For our recipe, we using tikka masala with yogurt and chicken. Easy to make, very easy. Believe me, very easy. Just only you have to cut chicken, add yogurt and tikka masala. Just mix. Keep at least 10 minutes marinade. If you can keep overnight, it's very good. Then square it with little bit oil. Cook in oven 25 minutes. So while you're cooking your chicken in the oven, so we can have lot of time to make our salad. For the salad, we're going to use our mixed lettuce. The mixed lettuce we're using Lolo Rosa, butter leaf, and baby gem. With cucumber, red pepper, green peppers, yellow peppers, spring onion, cherry tomato, white onion, and vine tomatoes. Of course, with lemon, olive oil, salt, pepper, little bit vinegar. Believe me that for summer, that's good enough. That salad will be perfect for that. So then we're going to have another one. It's called raita. How to make raita? We're going to use again Greek yogurt, chopped green chili, red onion, chopped cucumber and tomato, lemon juice, Atula cumin seed, and little bit extra cumin powder, salt, pepper. That's all. So all these things come together. Of course, we need to have something to share with that. So today I have garlic bread, garlic naan bread, and pita bread. So we can see now how step by step how to do that thing. So first thing first, we're going to use marinating chicken now for the kebab. So I already cut this chicken, so you can see how to cut. So then bring into the bowl and little bit salt into that. Little bit peppers. So when you going to use any sauce, you have to shake well before you using. Making sure all the ingredients are all even balanced inside the sauce now. So then open your bottle. You can see. So when you open, see the sound. That sound is very good, very nice sound. That's telling you the perfect sealed on the bottle. So pour into your chicken, like 2-3 spoon according to your the chicken. So you put here and keep there and mix well. Now I'm going to add little yogurt into that. So don't forget to add some lemon into that. Cut your lemon. When you put lemon, also you can add little coriander into that. Take some fresh coriander, cut and chop it. So add into your chicken. And mix it. You can wrap it and keep in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. So 30 minutes can do. If you keep longer and longer, this will give you a nice taste. So after marinate, so you put in the refrigerator for the resting. So take it out. So it will be nicely marinate over there. So now we can mix it again well, right? So make sure when you make kebab, your stick have to be soaked in the water to make little like the flexible also cook in oven, otherwise it will get burned. So it's already soaked. So I'm going to use my hand to use this one, right? So you can see now our all kebab are ready to go. So the oven had to be set for the 175 to 25 to 30 minutes. That's perfect enough time. So now I'm going to arrange in the tray. So I'm going to arrange one by one. So it's nice and easy. They keep like that, one by one. Chickens are ready to go to the oven. So oven is ready for 175 temperature. Time is 25. I had to do salad, so I will put 30 minutes. So that's okay. So oven is hot. The things are ready to go to the oven. So kebab already in the oven now. So we have to do rest of our recipe now. So while it's cooking 25 minutes, we have plenty time to do these two other things. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make the raita. So how to make raita? So you have Greek yogurt, bring it to the bowl. So you have a cucumber, chopped tomato, green chili, onion. So make sure green chili, whatever you're using, make sure as much you want to use. We are Asians, so we eat a lot of chili, so it doesn't mind to as much we can have. So I'm going to add this all into that. So cucumber, tomato, red onion, and green chili. So this thing now ready. So mix it well. So bring into this one lemon juice, plenty lemon juice you can use for this thing, the lemon juice will make perfect. So next step, salt. Add salt into that as much you want, they're perfect. So for me, enough for this, right? So then pepper. Then I had to bring some cumin. So cumin there. Now I had to use a little cumin powder. So add a little bit over there. So all we did now. So don't forget to put some fresh coriander into that. Okay, our raita ready to go. Look, it's very nice, it's colorful, very nice color. So back to the bowl again, same bowl we can use it. Okay, this is our raita. So add a little pinch of cumin powder to make it look nice. So now our next step to make how to make salad. As I tell you earlier, all the ingredients are there, just I need to mix it. That's all I need to do. So I like to cut all the salad make by hand. So you have salad now, is enough for me. So now I'm going to add the peppers. So there's not in particular order, just add into there. Cucumber. Tomato. Onion. See, now those things, you know, my favorite things using for salad, fresh garlic. Any salad when I make, I will use fresh garlic, but someone doesn't like, but I like that strong flavor of the fresh garlic. If you don't like fresh garlic, don't put, but make sure when you put fresh garlic into salad, this will make kick on that nice flavor and little kick on that. So I like that. So I will use some pinch of garlic, right? Salt. Remember, I make for the 7 people this one. So pepper. So little vinegar, the white vinegar. If you want use balsamic, I don't mind, but I like to use normal white vinegar. So vinegar there, salt there, black pepper there, oil. You can use lemon oil and olive oil, but I like to use rapeseed oil from Ireland, Irish rapeseed oil. So use as much you want into that. Lemon juice. So everything there now. I'm going to use my hand to mix it well. So nicely fold it. So mix well. Wow. So our salad is ready now. So we will see now how the kebab. Wow, look, it's nice and goldy color. So we're going to add, see now it's getting dry. So we will add some oil into that, right? Then put back. Turn other side. Oil. So you have 6 minutes left. So in that 6 minutes we can put bread in. So garlic naan. It's ready-made garlic naan, so I didn't cook because I don't have facilities to cook that in the baking oven, so I don't have naan bread. oven. So this I am ready to put that. Anytime I can put in oven. So I will wait until other things are ready. So wait for that. Now everything are perfect. So we're going to take off the kebab and the bread. Can have as much one salad, but I will put as suppose I put here. So kebab are ready to go. And now raita. Look, see, wow. So I will put another piece of lemon if someone want to take the as much extra lemon and finish with little bit coriander on top. This is the first dish we make. So we will make plenty dish later on. So we have plenty sauces to do each one. So we will do one by one. So stay with us. Atula Fusion will make fusion more. You will like it.